all day long. I worked at our church, cleaned a bit, got lunch with my dad, and then I came back home, had to make so many TikToks. Just posted those. Sorry I'm like spamming with TikTok shop stuff. I was sent coupons and I didn't know that I had to make a post for every single item that I used for the coupons. So there's a lot of videos to come, but they're all stuff that I love. So I want to open some packages with you. Let me show you some PR that I got. That is so nice. I got some PR from Pixie, which I always use Pixie stuff. I think it's probably my favorite makeup brand. They're just so good. And then I got nuclear. I don't know how to pronounce it. Never seen this brand in my life. But it smells so good. I feel like this kind of smells a little bit masculine, and I wore it I think yesterday and I smelled it on me for a good amount of time. I love this. Look. You just hit it on the little star. Oh yeah. That smells so good. And it came with this. It came with a shower gel. This is going to be so nice. And then we have just a tiny perfume, which this would be a really good gift. Or I could take this on a plate. I really never take perfumes on trips because I always don't have one of these. Then we have a body lotion. Some of this on my arms just so I can smell. Oh guys, I'm gonna be smelling so good. This smells amazing actually. I feel like I just smell luxurious now. Oh, that is so good. Okay, wait, let's open this. I think this is protein powder. I really want a Ninja Creamy. I think that would be so fun. So excited to try this. It's Rise protein and it's chocolate peanut butter. Are you kidding? I think I'm gonna make a banana shake with this tonight just to try it out. And I'm pretty sure this is healthy for you. I tried to do as much research as I could and it seemed that people like this, but I could be completely wrong. I'm interested to see the texture because I love Clean Simple Eats because their texture is just so good. You can even tell that it's protein powder. And so I have very high standards. Your girl's got to get her protein in. This package, it is a set of dishes, which I got these for whenever I move out. And so I'm not going to use them probably here. I'm just going to keep them in the box, but I really want to see what they look like. See. Okay. I feel like I need to move you guys down so that you guys can actually see me. That's better. It's a 12-piece set. My goodness. I don't even know what this is. Oh, wait. It literally came with everything. What even is this? You clamp it on. I've always wanted one of these. Wait. I love this so much. Oh my. Are you serious? Wait, these are so cute. I really don't want to take them out, but they're just bowls, and then it comes with these little clamp things, and so you just like clamp it on and you can like lock it. That's so cool. That is so fun. I really don't want to unbox this right now because I want it to stay nice and ready for when I open. That's so exciting. I need to send a picture to Aubrey. Ugh. Okay, I think that's... Oh, and then Birdie sent me their new Birdie box, which is like a house protection. And I got like their collar, which these are quite necessary. I'm so excited to make a shake. Honestly, it's already 5:49. I've done, I think, most of my work that I have to do today. I'm going to, after dinner, I think I'm going to just cuddle up, work on some pictures I need to edit for a client, and I might watch a Christmas movie because we have to every single day of December. I just made the smoothie, and I would say it doesn't have as good of a taste as Clean Simple Eats, but it's pretty good. It's definitely more subtle and a little bit more of a powdery taste, if that makes sense. But this does cure my chocolate fix, so. I am all clean. I have my cute little Christmas pajamas on, my fresh Stanley full of water. If you guys didn't watch yesterday's vlog, definitely go do that. But if you didn't, I talked about how I want to read a chapter of Luke a day because there's 24 chapters and it'll be perfect just leading up to Christmas. I'm not going to read all of it. I did that yesterday. I'm probably just going to talk about, you know, the things that stuck out to me. And so if you haven't read it already, go read it right now and then come back to this video. But in chapter 2, we learn about Jesus' birth, which is the most like messy but beautiful thing to ever happen. And one of my favorite parts about this story is the fact that like the angels went and brought glad tidings to the shepherds who were like the social outcasts. And I just think that's so cool because Jesus constantly in scripture talks about how the first will be last and the last will be first. I also loved how it kind of went into the younger years of Jesus. I think it's cool to think back to him being a little kid. Like, I can't imagine what a perfect little 12-year-old would be. The fact that he couldn't be found by his parents at one point and they were looking everywhere for him and he was basically just in the temple and he's like, "Why did you seek me? Did you not know that I must be about my Father's business?" And they did not understand. That is just so crazy. Jesus knew that his parents knew that he was the Son of God, and how he's like, "How dare you even look for me? Like, you know I'm gonna be with my dad." Go read Luke 2 today. It's so special and literally the reason for the season. So now I'm going to edit this video and I'm going to color and watch a movie on my projector and probably go to bed so that we can get up bright and early tomorrow morning and get this thing going. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. Bye!